Hello, everybody. Today I'm with a short, effective tips for beginners. Although many people know this, but it causes a lot of hassle for beginners. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to change any solid color PNG image to another solid color. Select the PNG image which you want to use. Tap Ctrl+T for active transform, then adjust its size and position. If you need to flip your PNG, then you can do like this. Finally, the time you have been waiting for has arrived. Let's change the arrow's color, making sure that the file is selected. See, the color has already changed. From there, you can choose any color, or pick any color by using this eyedropper icon. Now adjust opacity as your requirements. That's all. Anyway, the full video link of the thumbnail you are seeing now is given in the description box of this video. You can check if you want.